Yeah, so recently we had the surgery for my son who had a problem of loud snoring and gasping for air in the night throughout several times. And Dr. Agrawal did the surgery, and I'm so happy that it is a tremendous success. And I can see my son having a real nice, good sleep, which will really help him. And it has really solved a big problem and has given a big relief for me to see him getting better. So
Does it choke anymore?
no, he doesn't choke. As well as I know, he doesn't choke and doesn't gasp for air, and he is sleeping. And the snoring is also 95% gone, and very rarely it happens, but it is almost nothing. So I'm really thankful to Dr. Agrawal and Dr. Patel for doing this surgery, which has really, I hope he's going to give a new start of his life and hope good health for him for all the time. So
How do you feel
Thank
when you
you.
get up in the morning?
No, it's been I think I must say it's been a great experience. I was quite apprehensive going into this because it meant 2 weeks away from work and the pain and all of that. But
And a possible change of voice.
possible change of voice.
Is there any change of voice?
No, not at all. I think, I mean, it's now, I think, my 15th or 16th day, and already I'm feeling much better. The pain is almost gone, and I think in another couple of days, I'm going to be ready to be completely normal. And yeah, a lot of people have told me that I look fresher and that
You have reduced weight.
I've reduced weight, and yeah, it's been a great experience. So
even his partner had said to him that because they used to travel a lot, that he used to snore so loudly that he should go to the doctor and do something about it. But I think now he's also happy, and I think things are really very nice and really makes us very happy and satisfied that
Yeah, I think
he's
we
on
must
board.
thank Kishore, Dr. Kishore
Yes,
Sandhu,
yes.
who's your relative
Yes,
and who motivated you to.
Yes,
get
Mukta
this
and
done.
Kishore Sandhu,
Yes.
because Mukta was always
Yeah.
telling him and this thing. So yes, it is a big help, and of course your main thing is your surgery, which has really made it happen and possible for us.
Thanks.